During the 1960s, Warhol began to make paintings of iconic American objects, such as dollar bills, mushroom clouds, electric chairs, Campbell soup cans, Coca-Cola bottle celebrities, such as Marilyn Monroe, Elvis Presley, Marlon Brando, Muhammad Ali, Elizabeth Taylor, and often taking newspaper headlines and kind of juxtaposing celebrities with like tragic events going on in pop culture. It was kind of this weird yin and yang. I still think of a lot of his work in a very similar way how Basquiat created his work. You would take various things going on, in culture, music or film or, you know, headlines from the paper, and kind of mash them together and kind of create your own, kind of story, your own, weird abstract narrative about what's going on. And Warhol specifically had a deep fascination of celebrity and fame. It pretty much went hand in hand in his world, and not that it's not obvious. And it wasn't that it wasn't there before; it was that no one really put a spotlight on it the way he did. I think that's what I think really separated Warhol from everyone else. Like people may have thrown it in the background of some of their art, but Warhol would like do an entire piece specifically about an iconic figure, and often kind of in a sad way. Watch this.